Right, let's see how long a 70 lap race lasts. And I've set this pace car pretty quick, so I'll be surprised if I beat it. Let's have a look. Oh, on the edge here. I'll not crash because he's not going to crash. I bet I'm pissed off, he doesn't. I definitely need to get in front. Come on. Somebody stopped me after day. Alright, I'm getting in now. Oh, I'm going to have to refuel. Oh no. It caused a red flame. Oh, I didn't have to go to the pits, damn it. Oh man. Oh man, I'm well behind. I'm going to try and catch him up. I'm better have to do another few pit stops here. Oh no! Must have been it. Oh, I'm nearly lapped down. Oh, no way. Oh, I've got it on the wrong card. Oh no, I haven't. Oh no, I'm never going to get this. Oh, I'm catching, but I'm going to have to fuel again, I think. Might be well to fuel now. Oh man! What do I hit? What did I hit? Oh man, I'm gonna have to fuel. I'm definitely gonna get a lap down. I'm hitting that. Well, that's it again. I think it's happening hard on there. Smack me off twice. Oh no, maybe it's not. Maybe he's trying too hard. Oh man, I'm going for it now. Right, I've got to unlap myself now. Oh damn, I can't reach it. I can't reach it. Oh! Well, definitely out. Definitely out. I'm trying too hard. Try too hard and crash. Feel like 2 laps down. I've got to refuel. Yeah. Never gonna make that long. Nah, I've got my 4 laps down now. Could have made the pace car slower. Don't think I can unlap myself 4 times. Hard enough to unlap myself once. Oh no! Oh, get on the track, get on the track! Oh, all that work for nothing. All that for nothing. No, I'm never going to do this. What have we got? 20 laps left. Oh, what? I refuel now. Oh, never happened. Oh, I'm definitely going to crash. I'm literally on the limit here. Oh! Jeez. There's no way. No way. I'm doing pretty good now. 5 laps and I've got to unlap myself 4 times, eh? It's not happening. Oh no, come on, I'm going to refuel. Sure that can make the end. Oh no, maybe I won't. Right there, it's done. Oh!
Congratulations to Ferrari at 430 Red for winning the race.
Nah. Well, there we go. I might have got the fastest lap, but I didn't win.